LEGO Serious Play is a tool to help teams have more engaging workshops with deeper conversations and more creative thinking. It works by individuals building a model to a question that the facilitator poses. They build in silence for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing them to think deeply about their answer. And then they use the model to explain their answer to their teammates. People can only question the model for meaning. They cannot question the idea itself or the answer that the individual has built. Once we do several rounds of building, the team then builds a shared model, bringing all their individual models together and deciding how best to arrange them. This allows a deep conversation about the issues that are being discussed. One of the reasons why LEGO Serious Play is such a powerful methodology is that everybody builds, and even the quietest person on your team has an opportunity to build an answer to a question and to use their model to tell their story. The other reason that LEGO Serious Play is such a powerful tool is that humans are very good at learning when they see something in 3D. It makes more sense. We remember it for longer than if it's just written on a post-it note. We've run LEGO Serious Play workshops for building high-performing teams, for looking at systemic risk in a manufacturing process, and for developing a set of values that everybody can agree to. An online LEGO Serious Play workshop lasts between 90 minutes to 2 hours. And typically we look at a team building issue. Face-to-face workshops can last up to 3 days if the issue is a very complex one that needs a lot of consideration. Speak to us about how we can bring LEGO Serious Play to play in your business.